Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change chat wallpaper in WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So open your WhatsApp and open the chat, and now tap on this three dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on wallpaper, and you can select here bright, and inside of this bright section you will get some wallpaper, and you can select dark, and you can select any wallpaper from this list. Also you can select solid colors, and you can add a wallpaper from your gallery by clicking on this my photo option. And to get back the default wallpaper, tap on this default wallpaper. So for example, I'm going to selecting this wallpaper and I'm tapping on set wallpaper. Okay, so that's how we can change chat wallpaper in WhatsApp. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.